Oh my god, it's perfection for the season. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah. I do fashion curls, lifestyle and travel videos, so if you like that kind of stuff, then you're right here. So today we'll be talking about festive outfit ideas. Now since the party season is here, Christmas is approaching, New Year's is approaching, there's so many parties and festive get-togethers going on, so this is the perfect time to give you some outfit ideas for it. So let's get right into it. The first outfit is for a more casual get-together. If we're going to a Christmas market, for example, like a really cozy yet cute outfit. You could also wear that while going to brunch or being invited by friends and have like a casual game night or whatever. So the outfit is only brown and red. I love this combination. Red is often worn with black, but I think it also looks so nice with brown. So I wore this red sweater vest and these Zara leggings I got. They had a slit on the side, and I also paired it with these kind of slippers, but they're from Australia, and oh my god, they're so perfect. They're so comfortable, perfect for wearing indoors, but you can also wear them outside. These were gifted to me. I will link it down below so you can get yourself a pair. I know that the Ugg boots and slippers are always sold out, and that's why it's really difficult to get like the same look. I know they're like cheaper versions which look really cute too, but the quality is often not the same, and these slippers have such high quality, so I really recommend you, if you are on a hunt to get Ugg slippers, to get these. I paired it with this red bag and also with this bucket hat I got. It's so cute. It has like this teddy feel to it as well, so it brings the whole look together. Like top and bottom have this really casual, cozy feel, and then I threw on this vintage brown coat. It's so good. It just makes any outfit stand out. So I think this is the perfect outfit to wear to a very casual day. If you want to stay cozy, you can wear that outside as well. It will be warm, still cute. You can take some cute pictures as well with this outfit, but of course you can also wear that indoors if you're not going anywhere, or if you just go to friends, then you can just wear this with this perfect slippers indoors and you'll be so cozy and comfy. Next up, we have one of my favorite outfits. I literally fell in love while styling it myself. I know that sounds a bit much, but it really is super cute. So I have like this burgundy red outfit that I paired with like black sheer material. So sheer is also huge for the festive season. I really recommend you, if you don't want to get something, a whole outfit, just get one lace piece or a sheer top, and you can pair that with a blazer or anything. So I have this red burgundy mini skirt, and I paired it with these burgundy red ankle boots as well, and this bag that I have for some time already. It's from Liu Zhou, and I love it because it's so wintry. It's giving winter vibes. It's like the perfect winter bag because of the different red burgundy tone. Burgundy is also huge this season. I'm sure you've seen so much and heard so much about burgundy red, but I think every year, especially the festive season, red is just killer. I have like this sheer top that says love all over it, and that gives it like a sexy feel, but I also paired it with these tights, and they have heart symbols, so it kind of goes really well together. It's kind of cute but also sexy. I think this outfit is perfect for like a date night around the festive season, or like a get together with your girls for a cocktail night, for example. This would also be really nice because it's like a mixture of cute but still sexy with this sheer materials. I'll try and link all the outfits down below. Sometimes I don't find the exact same because they don't sell it anymore, but then I'll try to find something similar. Next up, I have a satin outfit, which is perfect for like a girls' night. It's super sexy but yet cool and sophisticated. It's in this beautiful light blue color, and it is a set, and it is this corset top. Beautiful design. I love that it is like goes together at the bottom, and the matching cargo pants, and I love it that it is like classy with the satin, but it's also cool because it's a cargo pant, so it gives like a mixture of chic yet cool. And I also paired it with this gorgeous elegant heels in a like violet lilac color. They have the bow in the front, and these are my favorite heels for the festive season. I mean, they're sparkly, they're glittery. I also paired it with this glittery bracelet and earrings that are also sparkly. So we're like a really nice choker or necklace that is also sparkly, but I didn't have any unfortunately. But that would also be super nice, like accentuate this part because it's like kind of open, and that way you bring the shoe and the sparkly details out as well. By the way, these shoes are so comfortable. Even though they're quite high, you can walk quite well with them. They're really stable. I mean, if you wear them for some hours, they're gonna hurt still, but they're really stable, which I love, so I don't feel like wobbling on my feet. I also have this clutch, which is a YSL dupe. It is also in a beautiful violet, so it really goes great together. Blue and violet are analogous colors. They go so well together because they're next to each other on the color wheel. If you haven't seen my color wheel, how to style color or how to wear color, then definitely head to my last video and go check it out. So I explain and show you outfits on how to style colors for beginners. Definitely check that video out after this. So this outfit is perfect for like a cocktail night, something sexy, something sophisticated. You want to kind of show your outfit, but you still want to be put together and not do too much and be still cool. Next up, we have a really elegant outfit. So this is perfect for a gala, for a evening, like a ball, a Christmas ball, like a really special event around the festive season. So I'm wearing this velvet black dress. Velvet is huge as well for the Christmas season. If you wear a velvet, you're definitely on the right path. So I'm wearing this really long black velvet dress. It's vintage, unfortunately, but I will try to find something similar. Maybe there's something out there. So gorgeous. It's very simple, but you can style it in so many different ways, which I love about it. So I paired it with these Zara slingback heels. They're not too high, so they're pretty comfortable to, like, if you dance, for example, at that night or so. And to like amp this whole outfit up and to make it like really special for like a gala, I chose these white gloves. It's so gorgeous and elevates your whole outfit and makes it so classy and kind of like as if you were in a movie. It's giving old school vibes, definitely. And I also, to like make it even more special, I added this pearly necklace. It's just a very long pearly necklace, but I draped it, like doubled it and draped it instead of downwards, which is also nice, but it can like drag you down your outfit a bit, I think. So I just wore it sideways and like draped it around my shoulders, and oh my god, this is such a look, right? It kind of looks like it belongs to the dress, and it is one piece, but it's just a pearly necklace which I draped like over my shoulders, and that way it looks like it is a choker and then a bigger shoulder necklace. So in love, oh my god. This outfit would also look really nice if you like put your hair up. That would be even nicer, like having a nice bun and being really elegant and chic. So you see, with my outfits, you don't have to always get new stuff as well. You can also just play around with what you have. The heels, for example, and the dress and the necklace I've had. You just have to think about how to style things differently to make it more festive season appropriate. So a great tip is also to get like bow earrings, for example, or glittery earrings. Bows are also a huge trend for this season. So you don't have to get like, there's this top by H&M, is pretty famous now on Instagram, this red top with this huge bow, and I love that top so much, but I'm pretty sure that people will not wear that so often, so you don't have to get something like that. You can also just get simple accessories like glittery earrings, bow earrings, for example, or tights like the outfit I showed you before, like tights with hearts on it. Glittery tights are also really good. So just play around with accessories like this pearly necklace. You don't have to get something specifically. I'm sure you can look into your wardrobe and find something that would fit the theme, and then see which accessories you could combine with it or get to make it more festive appropriate. Next up, I have an outfit that would be perfect for a work event, a work Christmas party. It's this gorgeous pink dress I'm wearing right now. It has long sleeves and it has this gorgeous pearly detail, as you can see, around the neckline and also around the arms. It's just perfect for Christmas. Really well made. You can see inside. I don't know if you can see that, but they're not like just stitched on. They're like kind of tucked in or so. So they're not just made really cheaply, but this way they don't fall off. And that's another thing I really encourage you: don't buy this really cheap festive wear oftentimes, or have a look how it is made, because oftentimes you lose all the sequins, you lose the pearls, and it's kind of a waste. So I definitely encourage you to get pieces that you know will last you more seasons than just one, because otherwise it also oftentimes they even fall off for when you wear it the first time, and that's kind of a waste, and also looks really cheap and doesn't give a good look. So definitely have a look at how the clothing is made. This dress is, unfortunately, I got it from like a local boutique, and the boutique doesn't even exist anymore, but I will try to find something similar. I know in Zara, my friend, she got like this gorgeous pearly white skirt, and it is a set. We found out it's a set. So there's also like this jumper with pearly details as well, and oh my god, it's perfection for the season. So I'll definitely link that down below. I need that actually as well. So not just this, I need that one as well. It's just so gorgeous. You can style it in so many different ways. And that one is also quite well made, I saw. So let's come back to this outfit. I draped over a white blazer, just a regular white blazer, to give it more like this work feel, like more elevated, chic and sophisticated. I also paired it with these pearly earrings as well, so it fits together. And also with these ankle boots. I didn't choose heels. You could wear it with heels as well, but I thought for a work event, oftentimes heels are maybe a bit too much and you don't want to come off as unprofessional. I mean, I don't like that, but I can imagine that some workplaces it will come off as unprofessional or so I try to like cool it down, because this dress is kind of out there already, also with the color especially. So I want to keep the rest a bit more simple. So I just chose these white naked ankle boots. You could also wear just nude tights as well. I didn't have any at hand, but that would make it even more like business appropriate maybe. But I think it's also fine without it. So this outfit is definitely giving chic yet fun. It's not too much for a after work event. It's just right because it has long sleeves. You're not like showing too much skin or anything. The only skin are the legs, and you're like even wearing ankle boots. You could also wear white boots with this dress. I also wore this ones with cream boots that I have, and that also gives even a more casual feel. So depending on like your workplace, you can like style it up or down depending on it, but I think this way it's just the perfect mix of like really nice and beautiful and festive, also kind of business appropriate. And lastly, I have a really festive outfit. So when thinking about going closer to the New Year's and to more parties, this outfit would be perfect. It's very out there. It's perfect for any party, like real party. So I paired this blue fuzzy top. I got this at TK Maxx. It's so perfect. I can really style it up and down in so many different ways. And I also think it looks really festive because of this fuzzy material. And then I paired it with this skirt. It's like in the zebra print and it has sequins, but I love the skirt because it's quite well made. Even though it wasn't so expensive, the sequins doesn't fall off at all. So I've had this already for 2 years, I think, and nothing fell off until now, and I'm really happy about that. I hate it when like all these sequins stuff is like all over the place and everything's glittery. So I always have a look out for better, well-made pieces like that when they have sequins, but it doesn't even have to be expensive. This skirt wasn't expensive at all, but it still has the quality. So both these pieces are already like scream party, but I wanted to amp it up even more, and I paired it with some red tights. You can also wear like black tights to make it more toned down, but also violet tights would look really nice, I think, or even yellow ones. So this way it like really screams party. And then I paired it with these heels that you like tie around your calves, and I tied it up a bit so it gives more of the party feel. And then I paired it with the same red bag that I wore to the Christmas market outfit to like have another red accessory and bring the whole look together. I love this outfit. It's even a bit out there for me, I must admit, but I love playing around, and especially in this holiday, I think it's the perfect time to bring out more fun pieces and try different styles, because it's the perfect time to do that. Sequins, bows, glitter, satin, velvet, different color combinations. Be a bit more risky when it comes to Christmas parties this year. I encourage you to be more risky, and you will see you will be the star of the party. So that was it of today's video, a really quick but fun festive ideas video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below your favorite. Watch my last video on how to wear color to get more inspiration on which combinations you could try out for this season. Follow me on Instagram at boldsarah to get more inspo. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!